So I am going to make this uncured turkey bacon, black pepper, and it says to cook it in the skillet or in the oven. We're going to try the skillet. It says it's made with dark meat, water, vinegar, sea salt, black pepper, sugar, celery, and celery powder. Now it does say there's no sugar, so I guess that's just a cure. The sugar is just for curing. But if it says there's sugar, I'm sure there's sugar in it. So the skillet preheating, and I did put a little avocado oil in the skillet because it says to put some. So we are going to blot it dry so we can start with as dry a piece of meat as we possibly can. So we'll get all the moisture off of there that we can. So we'll get all of the moisture off of there that we can, and then we will cook it, fry it up, and we'll see how that works. I'm just gonna do one piece before I do the whole package to see how this works. Okay, it's quite hot. Avocado oil. Looks like it's sizzling up pretty well. I put the splatter guard on because grease is splattering everywhere. Should have gotten that out ahead of time. So I got this from Constance over at Cosmopolitan Cornbread. She said, once you put it in the skillet, do not touch it until it's browned and it releases. She's using a cast iron, I'm using a hex clad. So hopefully it'll get the same result. The directions say you only have to cook this 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm just gonna go 2 minutes on each side, roughly. Yeah, I'm not quite sure I left that long in it. It doesn't smell bad. It doesn't smell like bacon, but it doesn't smell bad. So that looks much better. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, I do miss a piece of good bacon. But that's just because that's what I grew up eating. Okay, we're gonna call that good. Okay, let's do a taste test. Doesn't look bad. Looks like bacon. Doesn't smell like bacon. Call me impressed. I don't know if you can hear the crunch, but it has the crunch of bacon. I like mine crispy. Okay, I'm impressed. I found a replacement. So it doesn't have the flavor of bacon, but it makes you think of bacon. It seems like it's bacon without the porkiness. And that is what we're after.